Look, ChatGPT isn't a secret anymore. Everyone and their grandma is trying to make money with it. But if you want to actually build a five-figure a month business in 2026, you can't be using the same tools as everyone else. You need to be where the crowd isn't. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on five hidden AI gold mines that are quietly minting millionaires, while the rest of the world is still fighting over basic prompts. One of these is a tool that literally builds businesses for you while you sleep. Let's get into it. Goldmine number one, the hyper niche video automator. Host, first up is the world of autonomous faceless channels. Most people are struggling with manual editing, but there's a new wave of AI tools designed for specific industries. Think medical explainers or legal know your rights videos. The hustle. Don't just make generic top 10 videos. Use tools like InVideo AI or Synthesia to build a specialized content agency for local professionals. A lawyer will pay you $1,000 a month to manage their TikTok because they don't have time. And with this AI, it takes you 20 minutes a week. Goldmine number two, AI-powered micro SaaS builders. Host, Goldmine number two is the death of the traditional developer. Tools like Lovable or Replit Agent allow you to build micro SaaS, simple apps or browser extensions, just by talking to them. The hustle. Find a problem in a niche community, like a specialized tax calculator for creators or a custom CRM for dog groomers. Use the AI to build the tool, put it on a subscription model for $9 a month, and scale. You don't need to code, you just need to know which problem to solve. Goldmine number three, AI local SEO dominators. Host, this is the ultimate lazy side hustle. There are AI platforms now that scan Google Maps, identify businesses with poor SEO or missing info, and then automatically generate an optimization plan. The hustle. Use local AI auditors to show a business owner exactly why they're losing customers. Then, use the AI to rewrite their descriptions, optimize their keywords, and manage their reviews. It's high-value work that the AI does in seconds, but businesses will pay you hundreds for the result. Goldmine number four, personalized AI outreach at scale. Host, cold emailing is dead? No, unpersonalized cold emailing is dead. The next goldmine is AI video personalization. Tools like Tavis or HeyGen let you record one video, and then the AI changes the name and specific details for 1,000 different prospects. The hustle. Send personalized video pitches to brand owners. When they see you personally talking to them, your conversion rates skyrocket. You can sell anything from marketing services to high-ticket consulting using this human touch that's actually 100% automated. Goldmine number five, the autonomous affiliate marketer. Host, finally the set it and forget it king, AI agents. We're talking about tools integrated with Make.com or Zapier that don't just write posts, but research trends, create images, and post affiliate links on Pinterest and X24/7. The hustle, pick a high-ticket affiliate niche. Set up your AI agent to hunt for trending topics and post value-driven content with your links. It's a 24/7 sales team that never asks for a raise. The window for these tools is closing as we speak. Pick one, master it, and start building. If you want to deep dive into any of these specific tools, drop a comment below. Stay ahead of the curve, Future Hustle AI. I'll see you in the next one. How does this script look to you? If you're happy with the flow, we can start working on the description or even some thumbnail concepts to match.